Hello friends, please subscribe our channel, tap the bell icon to get all the notifications. Hello friends, please subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you friends. Hello friends. So welcome back to our channel, that is ICIC Billion Tutorial. So as you know, this is the first video of our channel, that is Similarity. I was saying you about the triangles, how to prove. There are three rules how to prove a triangle, that is angle, angle, side angle, and side. These are the three rules by which a triangle can be proved that it is similar. Both the triangles can be proved it is similar. So now, as I have said you the three rules, now I will say you how to use it and where to use it. You can see this is a triangle, and ABC is a triangle and CDE is a triangle. Both are the triangles. And one thing, before starting the video, please share the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to get all the notifications and the updated videos of our video on the subject of math and other subjects. As you can see, this is both the triangle. This is two. In this one triangle, two triangles are present, A, B, C, and another triangle C, D, E. You can see this A, B, C, and C, D, E. So here it is given that AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. So now I think as we are studying 10th class, we should know the definition of parallel. I think you all know the definition of parallel, so I am not going to say that. These two lines are parallel. As you can see this, these two lines are parallel. So here given AC equal to 3 cm, CE equal to 7.5 cm, BD equal to 14 cm, and here asked that calculate CB and DC. So it is given that calculate CB and DC, but it is given that, but do we know that these two triangles are similar? And in the question also it is not given that, so we cannot calculate CB and DC. So before we will calculate CB and DC, we have to know that these two triangles are similar to each other. Then after that we will find the ratios of the two triangles, and by the help of the ratios we will find angle BC, CB and DC. So now I am going to similar these two triangles. So I think my voice is all audible to you, and you can see this. Given, first of all, you should write in a format. The first step is given AB is parallel to DE. So here given AB is parallel to DE. Calculation part we don't have to write, because after finding the ratio we will put the values and we will take out. It is given, and after the to proof means what is the requirement, what we have to prove. Angle ABC is similar to angle ABC. So what? ABC, EDC, EDC. See this, calculate BC given and DC given. BC and DC both are available here. Yes or no? So now let us prove that. Proof equal to in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC and angle EDC, triangle ABC and triangle EDC. So as I before video I have said you that if the first angle is in triangle both the triangles should be in a format. The naming of the triangle should be in a format. ABC means EDC. So here the first similarity between both the angles, that triangle ACB, angle. The sign of angle is this, you all know. Angle ACB is equal to angle ECD. ECD. ACB, ABC, EDC. ACB, ECD. Yes or no? ABC and EDC, because they are vertically opposite. You have to write the reason also why they are, because anybody asks you, so you have to write the reason. They are vertically opposite. And triangle, in this triangle, as we know that AB is parallel to DE, so angle A is equal to angle E. Alternate interior. Angle A and angle E are both alternate angles. So this both can be said that alternate interior. So we will write triangle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle DEC. Why they are similar, equal? Alternate interior. Alternate interior. Okay, alternate interior. Okay, alternate interior. So for proving for proving two triangles are similar, as I've said you the property, I think you have remembered it, that is angle. So here two angles are there, that angle C is equal to angle C, but you cannot write here angle C is your angle C, because angle C equal to angle C means this point, it means that this point. How would all know that in which triangle angle C and is in this which triangle angle C? So you have to write the full name. Okay. And here you can see these two triangles I have written, two angles I have written. So BC by DC is equal to AC by EC. How much given? AC 3 cm by EC. EC is how much? 7.5 cm. After calculation we will write centimeter. Okay. Then BC by DC. So BC by DC is not given in the question. The question has only given BD equals to 14. So BC equals to, let us take DC equals to X. So DC X. Then what about BC? If this one is 10 and this one is X and the full is 20. Example. For example, DC equals to 10, BC equals to X and BD equal to 20. So X how much? 20 minus 10 equals to 10. Like that. If this one is X, this one how much? 14 minus X. 14 minus X. This one not required. Okay. So now we will do cross multiplication. 14 minus X by X equals to 3 into 10 by 75. 3 1s are 3, 25s are 5, 2s are 5, 5s are. So 5 into 14 how much? 5 into 14. 5 into 14. 5 for the 20, 0, 2. 5 1s are 5, 2, 7. It's 70 minus 5x equals to 2x. So 70 equals to 7x. So 70 by 7 equals to x. Equals to x, that is equals to 10 equals to x. So what is the value of x now? The value of x is 10. So 14 minus x. 14 minus x means 14 minus 10, that is BC. So 4 centimeter is BC, and DC is x. We have took the centimeter. You can also take this one as x. Okay. You can take this one as you can take also BC as x and DC equals to 14 minus x. If you will take that like that, the BC value will come 4, then the DC value will come, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, is it clear to everybody? I think it will be clear to everybody because I have gave the best to understand you. And if this one, and I have solved it, I have said you that I will show you how to prove and calculation part. So in this question both the parts are there. So in this question both the parts are there. So thank you friends for watching my video. And please see also this video, and because this video also gives you some information about the triangles, how to prove and what. Please, with this I conclude my video by saying that you can buy everything, but you cannot buy knowledge. So friends, please watch our videos. I am not saying that only watch our videos. You can see, you can watch other YouTube channels also videos, but also watch our channel videos and give a share. And if anything is problem, if in this video it is not visible to you, or the understanding part is anything problem, in the comment box you can write. And any question about this angle or side, and the 3 rules, the angle side, angle, side, angle, any difficult question you cannot solve it, please send us in the comment box the question and the given parts. I will solve it and I will tell you the answer, and I am guaranteeing you that I will say you the correct answer. So please friends, and also send the answer so that I will check that my answer is also correct and I can show you easily. So please, with this I conclude my video. Thank you friends for watching. Please watch our videos, subscribe, tap the like button, share button. Please friends, thank you.